Good afternoon, everyone. Welcome to online CRT classes. Today we are going to discuss about time and work part 6. And here we are going to discuss two concepts. One is wages, another one is chain rule. Okay, so these two concepts is complete the time and work actually. So we already discussed some of concepts like living and joining, efficiency, and then together they are working. Alternate days we already discussed. Living and joining we will discuss, and wages and remaining work also we discussed actually. So today we are going to discuss chain link concept. Right now, okay. First of all, just recap the yesterday's class. Yeah, see. So these questions need to discuss, I think so, yesterday's class. So this is over, right? So P, Q and R do a work in 20, 30, 60 days. How many days does it complete? Work P does the work and assisted by Q and R. I think it's over, right, yesterday? Now, check this. So first we'll discuss remaining two problems in yesterday's class. Then we'll continue today's concept, wages and chain rule. Okay. Now, first problem. A, B and C working separately can do a piece of work in 11 days, 20 days, 55 days respectively. Okay. In how many days? In how many days the work will be completed if he assisted by B and C on alternate days? What they're asking, you have to understand the question. First of all, it's very, very important to understand the question. So what they are asking here, ABC can separately can do work 11, 20, 55. One thing, right? And in how many days the work will be complete if A is assisted by B and C on alternate days? Okay, what they're asking, A is assisted by B and C also, but in alternate days. That means A assisted by B in one day, A assisted by C one day. That means, suppose think, first day, so A and B, A is working here. Commonly for every day A will be work. Okay, second day, third day, fourth day, A will work. Okay, A will work, A will work. And here, first day, B will assist the work. B will assist by, sorry, A is assisted by B. Actually, B will help for A in first day. And second day, instead of B, C will help to A. And third day, again, who will help? B will help. And fourth day, C will help. And fifth day, again that's repeated, right? So cycle is 2 days, right? Cycle is nothing but 2 days, first thing. So first of all, first step to alternate days, you have to find out the cycle. Okay, first day, A plus B. Second day, A plus C. So 2 days is a cycle, 2 days. Now, in 2 days, how much work they are completing? How much work they are completing in 2 days? The first day, A is 11 days and B is 20 and C is 55 days. Okay, take the LCM of this. Efficiency, we need to find out the efficiency, right? This is A, B and C. Efficiency of this one. What's the LCM? So 11 is a factor of 55. So just eliminate this one. So here 11 into 20, it's 220 is the LCM. Right? So 220 is the LCM. Now 220 means 11 here. 20, it is 20 apples, and here it's 11 apples, and here it is 220 by 11. Sorry, 55. 720 and 4, right? 4 apples. So C can eat 4 apples. in a day. Okay, LCM of 220. Now we got the efficiencies. Now first day, what will happen? A will work. A will eat 20 apples. First thing, 20 apples he will eat directly, and with the help of B can eat 11. Okay, 11 apples he will eat. And second day, A will eat 20 apples. In second day, A will eat 20 apples, and C will eat 4 apples. So for 2 days, cycle is 2 days, right? For 2 days, how many apples they can eat? 20 plus 11, 31 plus 24. 55 apples they can eat in 2 days. In 2 days, right? So for 2 days, it is 55 apples. For 2 days, it's 55 apples. Then how many apples is total? 220 apples, right? So into 4. Into 4. So 2 into 4, 8. 8 days. So in 8 days, they will complete 220 apples, right? Clear? How we are getting? Actually, 2 in 2 days. It is very important, this making this total. Okay, in 2 days, 55 apples they'll eat totally. So how many apples is it totally? 220. So how we'll get 220 from this one? Into 4. Into 4 we'll get 220. Here also into 4, 8. So 8 days, 220 apples they will eat, right? That is alternate words. Okay. Now another one. A, B, and C can do a piece of work in 20, 30, 20, 10 days. A assisted by B 1 day and by C on the next day. Alternately, how long it will? Same question, same question, no changes. Just the capacities they changes. Okay, the efficiencies change. So A plus B in first day, A plus C in second day. So that is what they're saying. B on 1 day and C on next day. That means, okay. And the same thing, 30, 20, 10. What is the LCM? 60. So it is 2, it is 3, it is 6. Okay. Efficiencies. Okay. Now A can eat 2 plus B can eat 3. A can eat 2 plus B, C can eat 6. Right. Now total in 3 days. In 3 days, how many apples? 8 plus 5, 13 apples they can eat. Right? That's it, right? Yeah, 13 apples they can eat. So 13 apples they can eat in 2 days. In 2 days. So 60 apples is there. 60 apples. What's the nearby value? Into 4. Into 4. Okay, it is 52 apples will get. Sorry. In the place of here, in the 52 apples will get in 4 into 8, 8 days. 4 into 8 days. So 8 days, in 8 days, 52 apples is over. How many apples is still pending? 8 apples is there. 9th day. 9th day, who will come? 9th day, who will come? B and A will come, right? A and B come. Okay, how many apples they can eat? Only 5 apples. So 5 apples they will eat. Still remaining 3 apples is there. So 10th day, who will come? Who will come? A and C will come. How many apples is there? 3 apples is there. They can eat how many apples? 8 apples. So 9 days completely is over. And 10th day, 3 by 8. 3 apples. They need to eat. 8 apples they can eat. Valu 8 apples tinagalaru, but unnavenni only 3. So 9 3 by 8 days is the answer. Is it clear? Hope everyone clear with this. Alternate days. Okay. Now come to the part of wages. Okay, first read the question. A can do a work in 3 days and B can do in work 2 days. Both of them finish the work together and get 150 rupees. So 150 rupees. What is the share of A? So see, first they're asking share. What is the share means? Daily wages. Wages are in simply can call in Telugu Kuli, right? Wages. So here, in this concept of time and work, who will work more, they will get wages or income more. Okay, income is more. For example, I'll give example. In generally, మనం ఎప్పుడన్నా ఒక వర్క్ కోసం ఒక 4 మెంబర్స్ ఒక 2 మెంబర్స్ పిలిచామనుకోండి ఏదైనా వర్క్ చేయాలి అని. సో ఎండ్ ఆఫ్ ద డే వాళ్ళ ఇద్దరికి మనం ఈక్వల్ అమౌంట్ ఇస్తాం. ఈక్వల్ అమౌంట్ లైక్ వాళ్ళ డే వేజెస్ లైక్ 400 500 ఎంతైనా కానీ ఇద్దరికి సేమ్ ఇస్తాం. సో అక్కడ ఇద్దరిలో ఎవరు 2 parts for A, 3 parts for B, right? So totally how many parts? 5 parts. Totally how many parts? 5 parts. So divide this 150 in 5 parts. We'll get 1 part, right? So 5 30s. So 1 part is 30. We want, if they ask A, how many parts? 2 into 2, so 60. If they ask for B, into 3, 90. So 60 rupees for A, 90 rupees for B, right? Okay, this is what the question. Easily you can solve. Okay, then next one. Now, A and B undertook to do a piece of work for rupees 4,500 rupees. Okay, for 4,500 rupees, A alone could do it in 8 days and B in 12 days. With the help of C, they finished the work in 4 days. Then the C share is, they're asking. Okay, then how to find out this? First thing, A and B undertook to piece of work and for 4,500, right? Yeah. A can work in 8 days. In 8 days. Okay. And B can work in 12 days. In 12 days. Now, just take the LCM of this two. LCM 24, right? 24 is LCM. A capacity is 3, B capacity is 2. That means the ratio of A is to B, sorry, with the help of C, right? I'm sorry, thinking somewhere else. First days we can calculate. A can in 8 days, B in 12 days, and in the help of C, they can complete in 4 days. That means A plus B plus C in 4 days. Okay. Now find the C share they're asking. Okay. Take the LCM of 3. 24. 3. It is 2 and it is 6. Now we know A plus B plus C efficiency is 6. A plus B plus C efficiency is 6, right? Now, in this, from this, if I subtract these two, if I subtract these two, we'll get C efficiency, right? So AB, if I subtract AB from this, I'll get C efficiency. 6 minus 3 minus 2 is nothing but 1. So 1 is C efficiency. Now total ABC efficiency is nothing but 3:2 is to 1. So total how many parts is there? 6 parts, right? 6 parts is there. And how much amount they are sharing? 4,500. 4,500, right? Just cancel this. 7, 42, 42, 30. Okay, 750. So one part is nothing but 750 rupees. So C share is nothing but one part only, right? So C will get 750 rupees. If instead of C, they can ask A also. A will, how many parts? 3 parts. 750 into 3. It's nothing but 2,250. Okay. If suppose they will ask about the B, 2 parts. So 750 into 2. It's nothing but 1,500. Okay. $1,500, right? No. Okay, clear? So like this, we have to calculate this. No. Another question. Three persons undertook to complete a piece of work for 1,200. The first person can complete the work in 8 days, second person in 12 days, and third person in 16 days. They complete the work with help of fourth person in 3 days. What does the fourth person get? Okay, what they're asking, 3 person is there first of all. Okay, take A, B, and C. Okay, 3 person is there. They undertook the amount for 1,200 rupees. Actually, 1,200 rupees. They took the project, some work. Okay, and A can complete in 8 days, B can complete in 12 days, and C can complete in 16 days. In a normal way, right? And if with the help of fourth person, that means D. The same way, even previous problem also, C is included here, third person. Now here, it is 3 persons already there and fourth person included here, D included. With the help of D, that means A plus B plus C plus D. D, you can complete in 3 days only. Now, what's the fourth person? That means D will get the amount they're asking. Now take the LCM of this one. So 3 is factor of 12 and 8 is factor of 16. 16 and 12, it's nothing but 48. 48 is a LCM. So it is nothing but 6. It's nothing but 4. It's nothing but 3. And it's nothing but 16. Now, so A plus B plus D, A, B, C, D, total is equal to 16. Efficiency is 16. Now, from this, if you are subtracting A, B, C, that means 6 plus 4, 10 plus 3, 13. If you are subtracting 13, then we'll get D efficiency. D efficiency is nothing but 3. Now, we got the all efficiencies. What are the efficiencies? A is 6, B is 4, 3, and 3. So 6, 4, 3, and 3. Now, total, how many parts? 16 parts, right? So 4 plus 6, 10 plus 3 plus 3, 16. Total is 16 parts. What's the undertook the work here? They undertook the work for 1,200. 1,200 by 16. So 16 sevens, 8, 80, it's 5. So one part is nothing but 75. Now, if you know the one part, then you can find the any one share in this 4 members. So share of A is 6 parts into 6. What they're asking to find is fourth person, right? Into 3. It's nothing but 225. It's nothing but 225. Is it clear? Then, so 225 is a share of D. Now, next question. A, B, and C completed work costing 800 rupees, sorry, 1800 rupees. A work for 6 days, B work for 4, and C work for 9. If their daily wages are in the ratio of 5:4, 5:6:4, and how much amount will be received by A? Okay, what here? See, interesting question. Actually, they given daily wages. Daily wages. What's the ratio? 5:6:4. And they're asking to find us total wage for total days. Okay. And they given dates also. It's very simple. They given dates also. A can do how many days? 6 days. So 5 parts in 1 day. 5 parts in 1 day into 6. It's nothing but 30. Okay. Now here. Into 4. B is 4 days. 6 parts in 1 day, 4 days, it's nothing but 24. And 4 parts, 1 day, how many days? 9 days. It's nothing but 36. So this is total ratio of wages, total ratio. Then simplify this: 6 5s, 6 4s, 6 6s. So a ratio of 5:4:6. And total is 15 parts. Total is 15 parts. 5 plus 6 plus 4, 10 plus 5, 15. And total, how much the amount they took? 1800. 1800. Okay. It is 1 and it is 220. Okay. 120 is one part. Okay. One part. 120 is 1 part. So A can get 5 parts, right? 5 into 120. Totally 600 rupees A will get. For how many days? 6 days. Okay. Like that. Clear? Nice. Is this clear? No. I'm going to move. The next question. A man and a boy received 800 rupees a wages for 5 days for the work they did together. The man's efficiency in the work was 3 times that the boy. What are the daily wages of the boy? So what they are saying here, the previous question, they given daily wages ratio and asked to find the total ratio. In this question, they given total ratio 800 rupees for both. 800 rupees for both men and boy. How many days? 5 days. Right? For 5 days, they get 800 rupees. Okay, for 5 days, they get 800 rupees. And then they're asking to find us 1 day wage. 1 day wage or daily wage. Daily wage. Okay. Daily wage. And what we need to know here, efficiency. How we are going to calculate the efficiency? In the problem itself, they given the efficiency is nothing but men efficiency is work was 3 times of that boy. So boy work is 1, suppose the men will be work is 3. So total efficiency is 4. So 1:3. Simply 1:3. 1:3. So total is how much amount? 800. So how many parts is there? 4 parts. Just divide 200 rupees. Okay, 1 part equal to 200 rupees. So who will get 1 part? B. So B will get 200 rupees, right? So, but it is not our answer. Actually, it is wrong. So it is not wrong. Actually, this is not our answer actually. Why? They're asking to find us the daily wages of the boy. So total he will get 200. Total he will get 200. But daily wages 200 divided by how many days they work? How many days? 5 days they work by 5. So what? 40. Done. That is what. Clear? So 40 rupees you will get per day. Okay, that is what wages. Now come to the second concept of today's one. Chain rule. What is the chain rule here? The chain rule is nothing but they can give a two comparisons. Persons, hours, days, and work. So for work one, they will give persons, hours, or days. And for work two, they will give persons and hours and days also. Okay, they're comparing and we have to find out. They will ask, sometimes they will ask how many persons required, they will ask how many days will be required, and they will ask how much work will done. So like this they will ask. Okay, here I given the formula. So first note it down this formula. Here P is nothing but persons. Okay, H is nothing but hours. Okay, D is nothing but days, and W is nothing but work. Okay, this is the thing here, and no. So some of the books follow the formula is nothing but M1 H1 into D1. Okay, what is happening here? Men. Okay, men. I just given the P for it is men's, women's, and children's. For 3 of them, I'm giving P here. Okay, the both the formulas is correct only. Okay. If they given about some work in a problem, if they talk about some work, then we have to follow this formula P1 and the person 1 into hours into days by P2 H2 day 2 equal to W1 by W2. Suppose if they given only if they talk about the same work, that it will be 1, right? Then what's the formula? P1 H1 D1 equal to P2 H2 D2. When if work is same, then it will be 1. Then this denominator I am taking to the right hand side. Then the formula is nothing but like this. And sometimes they will give only days, not about the hours. So that time the formula will be P1 D1 by P2 D2 equal to W1 by W2. If they talk about the only days and they didn't mention the hours, and suppose sometimes they will give hours and they will eliminate the days, then the formula is nothing but P1 H1 by P2 H2 equal to W1 by W2. Then this is what the problem. Okay. So now we'll check some of the question. First of all, basic question to understand this one. Actually, it is not going to be used the formula also. Just read the question first. A contractor employed 50 men to complete the project in 100 days. But later on, he realizes that just after 25 days, only 20% of the work had been completed. How many extra days then the schedule, the time are required, they're asking, right? So what they're asking to find us here, a contractor employed 50 minutes, okay, 50 minutes, 50 minutes. And the project they schedule for 100 days. So 100 days లో కంప్లీట్ అయిపోవాలి అని అనుకున్నాడు. బట్ after 25 days, he realized, after 25 days, he realized only 20% work had done. Okay, 20% మాత్రమే అయింది. సో ఇంకా తనకి ఎన్ని డేస్ కావాలి, హౌ మెనీ ఎక్స్ట్రా డేస్, ఎన్ని డేస్ కావాలి, ఎక్స్ట్రా డేస్ ఎన్ని కావాలి అని అడుగుతున్నాడు, రైట్? హౌ మెనీ ఎక్స్ట్రా డేస్ he can take to complete the work. Now 25 days ki 20%, percentage is 100% change అయింది, రైట్? సో 100% change into the 100%. సో 20 నుంచి 100% ఎలా వస్తుంది, into 5, and here also into 5. Then the days will take 125 days. సో యాక్చువల్లీ తన షెడ్యూల్ ఏంటి 100 days, బట్ ఇప్పుడు అవుతున్న డేస్ ఎంత, 125 days. సో ఎన్ని ఎక్స్ట్రా డేస్ తీసుకుంటున్నారు, 25 days is extra. days is extra, right? Then clear? Now we move to the next. Now 15 men can type 3,240 pages in 6 days, working 2 hours per day. How many men would be required to type 5,400 pages, working in 4 hours for 3 days? They're asking, what is the common here? Typing the pages. Okay, typing the pages. How many persons is working here? 15% is working, and they can take 6 days. 6 days. This is person, 6 days and 2 hours in a day. And how much work is completed? 3,240 is work is completed. And in the same another comparison is nothing but how many persons we don't know, and how many days they are taking, only 3 days. They need to complete only 3 days. Okay, now how many hours? 4 hours. 3 days, 4 hours. And what's the work? 5,400. So everything is, the days decreases and hours increases, and here work also increases. Now what's the formula? So we know the P1, D1, H1 and W1, P2, D2, H2, W2. We need to find out the P2, right? So P2 is a question mark. Now what's the formula given? P1, H1, D1 by P2, H2, D2 equal to W1 by W2. Now what is the P1? 15 into H 2 hours into days 6 by P2, we don't know, persons, just take P. Okay, H2, what is the hours? 4 hours. And what is how many days? 3 days. So equal to, what is the work? First work 3,240 by 5,400. So 1010 get cancelled, and this is 12, this is 12 get cancelled, and here 540 and 3, 2, 4, 7. 3 will get cancelled by 3 actually. 3 ones 24, 8. And it is nothing but 3 ones 3. Sorry, right? Eighteen. So 18 ones, 18 times, right? That's it, right? Right. 0. Okay, this is 3138. Okay, now so just cross multiply. So here P equal to 15 into 10. How many percent are required? 150% are required, right? Eight. No, right? I think no, right? As this is the cancellation is wrong, right? So 3, you can say it's only 51, right? 54, right? Wrong. So guys, you have to share me. Yeah? This way is getting me cancelled. So it's nothing if divided by 3, 324 by 3 is nothing but 108, not 18. It is 108. Okay. So it's actually it's wrong. Now see 108 and 540 and right. All right. So here it is 180. It is 180, and you just cross multiplication of 108 equal to 180 into 15. Okay, 15. Then P. So P equal to 180 into 15 by 108, right? So 3 tries, 3 threes, and 8 sixes, right? And for the calculation, 25. 25. So 8, 6, 6 sixes, 6 thirties. So 6 1, 6 5. So 5 into 5 is nothing but 20. Yeah. You can calculate and give me the fast answer now. Okay, 25% is required. So totally 25% is required. Okay, just cancel it. Do the cancellation fast. I just made a mistake here. That's the reason I took the time. Otherwise, it's 25% they required to complete 5,400 pages in 3 days and working for 4 hours. Okay, so that's what difference. So previously 15 members, now it is 25 members, right? Now, check the another one. If 72 men can build a wall of 280-meter length in 21 days, how many men could take 18 days to build similar type of wall, the length of 100 meters? Same type of problem, 72 men, and length, work is nothing but work is nothing but 280 and days is nothing but 21. Days, work, and person. Here they didn't give the hours, right? So eliminate. If it is then we'll take it, otherwise not required. Okay. Then how many persons they required? So persons is question mark, and what's the length? 100 meters length. And how many days? 18 days. 18 days, nothing but. Okay, 72 into days 21 by P, we don't know, and days 18, and it is nothing but 280 by 100. So these two get cancelled. and 18 6 threes, sorry, sevens. Okay. 7 ones, 7 fours, 6 ones, 6 12s. Okay. Now just cross multiplication. So 4 ones, 4 threes, right? So 10 will be there. Just cross multiplication, P equal to 3 into 10, 30 members. 30%. Is it clear? Guys, that's it, right? So just cancel the first of all. 3 7 3 6 18 and 6 ones, 6 12s. Okay. And here we take like right? 7 fours, okay. 4 threes, right? Yeah, 3 into 10, 3 30. So 30% is equal, right? Then just a simple calculation. That's it. No worries. Okay, now take another one. 39% can repair a road 12 days, working 5 hours in a day. In how many days will 30% work 6 hours a day complete the work? So here they didn't mention the work actually. The same work, that means same work. So W1 and W2 is same, then we have to consider 1. So what's the formula then? P1 H1 D1 equal to P2 H2 and D2, right? Now what's the P1? 39% into what's the H1? 5 hours into how many days? 12 days equal to percent P2, we don't know. Okay, sorry, how many days will 30% work? Okay, here percents they given 30 and 6 hours they given into days. We need to find out. Just just cancel this. 6 ones, 6 twos, 5 ones, 5 sixes, 2 ones, 2 threes, and 30. So D equal to 30. In 13 days, 30% will complete the work for working 6 hours a day, right? Is it clear up to this, guys? No. Guys, do you have any problem? Just immediately you just ask. Okay. No. 36 men are employed to finish a certain work in 48 days, but it is found that 24 days only 2/5 of the work is done. How many more men must be employed to finish the work in time? In time. So interesting question. See, different type of question. So how many members is there? First of all, 32 men. Okay, our person we take 32. Sorry, 36. Okay, 36% is there. Okay, clear? And employed, 36% are employed to finish a certain work in 48 days. How many days? Totally 48 days. 48 days. And total it's a 48 days. And the work done 24 days. Okay. The total is 48 days. We have to write here 48 days here. Okay. And here they work for only 24 days. Work for only 24 days. 36 members are working for 24 days. And what's the work done? It's 2/5 is work done. Now, what they're asking to how many persons are required to complete the work in time. In time means the total is 48 days. So in that up to 24 days they completed. How many days is still there? 24 only. So days is 24 and work. Total work is 1. Total work is 1. In that 2/5 of the work is done. minus 2 by 5. What's the remaining one? Work is 3 by 5. So 3 by 5 work is 3 by 5. Now, percent is question mark. From the data, you have to find out the how many days is required, how many work is done, still pending. Okay, then you have to find the persons. Now, what is the formula? 36 into 24 by P into 24 equal to 2 by 5 by 3 by 5. Fractions given. 5 get cancelled, 24 get cancelled, and it's nothing but 2 by 6. It's nothing but 13. Sorry, not 13. 2 ones and 18. So 18 into 3. So P equal to 18 into 3 is 54. So now for complete this work in 24 days, they require 54 men. And what they're asking in question, how many more men must be employed? Already 36 members is there. How many more members are employed to add this to become 54? 54 minus 36 is nothing but 80. Okay, 18% more required. Okay, or if you are taking here P, instead of P you can take 36 plus P. So 36 plus P equal to 54, P equal to 18 directly will get. Right? So what they given here, read the question carefully. 36 minutes they given. Okay, clarity. And finish the certain work in 40 days. Total days is 48. But it is found that 24 days only 2 by 5th of the work is done. Right? So 2 by 5th of the work is done in 24 days. Then ఏం అడుగుతున్నాడు, రిమైనింగ్ ఇంకా 48 days లోనే వర్క్ మొత్తం కంప్లీట్ అవడానికి ఇంకా ఎంత మందిని ఎక్స్ట్రాగా డిప్లాయ్ చేసుకోవాలి అంటున్నారు. ఎక్స్ట్రాగా తీసుకోవాలి అని అడుగుతున్నారు. రైట్? సో ఎక్స్ట్రాగా తీసుకోవాలి అంటే ఏం చేయాలి? ఫస్ట్ ఎన్ని డేస్ రిమైనింగ్ ఉన్నాయని తెలుసుకోవాలి. 48 days టోటల్ గా, అందులో 24 days ఆల్రెడీ వర్క్ చేస్తారు. ఇంకెన్ని డేస్ ఉంటాయి? 24 days. రైట్? సో ఎంత వర్క్ పెండింగ్ ఉంది అన్నది చూసుకోవాలి. రిమైనింగ్ వర్క్ ఎంత? రిమైనింగ్ వర్క్ 2 by 5 ఆఫ్ ద వర్క్ అన్నది ఇప్పటి వరకు కంప్లీట్ అయింది. 2 by 5 టోటల్ వర్క్ ఈజ్ 1 అనుకుంటే 1 minus 2 by 5 ఇస్ నథింగ్ బట్ 3 by 5. సో ఇంకా 3 by 5 వర్క్ పెండింగ్ ఉంది. సో దీన్ని కంప్లీట్ చేయడానికి ఎంతమంది ఎక్స్ట్రా మెంబర్స్ కావాలి? 18 members extra. If they ask how many more men means 18. If they ask how many men means 54. So both are different. Okay. Now 90 men are engaged to do a piece of work in 40 days, but it is found that in 25 days 2 by 3 work is completed. How many men should allow to go off so that work may be finished in time? So interesting. See, in the previous question what they asked to find, how many more persons to employed, ఎంతమంది ఇంకా ఎక్స్ట్రాగా కావాలి కరెక్ట్ టైంకి వర్క్ చేయాలి అంటే అని అడిగాడు. అండ్ ఇక్కడ 90 members వర్క్ చేస్తున్నారంట. టోటల్ ఏమో 40 days లో కంప్లీట్ అవ్వాలి. బట్ 25 days కి 2 by 3 వర్క్ కంప్లీట్ అయిపోయింది. సో ఇంకా తక్కువ వర్క్ ఉంది, 1 by 3. సో ఈ తక్కువ వర్క్ ని కూడా 40 days కి కంప్లీట్ చేయాలి. సో తొందరగా 90 members వర్క్ చేస్తే ఏమవుతుంది? తొందరగా కంప్లీట్ అయిపోతుంది. బట్ వాళ్ళకి తొందరగా కంప్లీట్ కాకూడదు, 40 days లోనే కంప్లీట్ కావాలి. అంటే ఎంత మందిని తీసేయాలి? అండ్ అలౌ టు గో ఆఫ్ దో, ఎంత మందిని అన్ఎంప్లాయ్ చేయాలి అని అడుగుతున్నారు. రైట్? సో టోటల్ ఎంత? 90 members. Persons or men are 90 members. Okay, I'll take men today. Total days ఎంత? 40. Now ఎన్ని డేస్ వర్క్ చేశారు వాళ్ళు? 25 days వర్క్ చేశారు. అండ్ ఎంత వర్క్ కంప్లీట్ అయింది? 2 by 3 అనేది కంప్లీట్ అయింది. రైట్? సో ఏం అడుగుతున్నారు? ఎంతమంది పర్సన్స్ కావాలని అడుగుతున్నారు. మనం వేరియబుల్ గా తీసుకోవచ్చు, అదర్వైజ్ 90 minus 90 మైనస్ పి గాన తీసుకోవచ్చు. అంటే ఎంతమందిని తీసేయాలి కదా అడుగుతున్నారు. ఎంతమంది తీసేయాలంటే ఎందులోని తీసేస్తారు, 90 మెంబర్స్ లోని తీసేస్తారు. సో 90 మైనస్ పి. అండ్ ఎన్ని డేస్ ఉన్నాయి, టోటల్ 40 డేస్. అందులో నుంచి 25 డేస్ ఆల్రెడీ వర్క్ చేశారు, రిమైనింగ్ ఎన్ని డేస్, 15 డేస్. అండ్ వర్క్ ఎంత, 2/3 కంప్లీట్ అయిపోయింది. సో 2/3 కంప్లీట్ అయింది. టోటల్ వర్క్ 1 అనుకుంటే 1 మైనస్ 2/3 ఇట్స్ నథింగ్ బట్ 1/3. సో 1/3 అన్నది ఇంకా వర్క్ ఉంది. సో వాట్స్ ద ఫార్ములా, 90 into 25 by 90 minus p into 15 equal to 2/3 by 1/3. So 3 get cancelled. It's nothing but 2, right? So 2. Now 15 90s, 15 ones, 15 sixes. Okay. And 2 ones, 2 threes. So 2 into 25, 3 into 25, 75. So 90 minus p equal to 75. So p equal to 90 minus 75, 20. So 25 members ni వాళ్ళు తీసేయొచ్చు. So 25 members ni 15 members. I'm sorry. 15 members. 15 members ni వాళ్ళు ఇంకా రిమూవ్ చేయొచ్చు. సో 15 members ని వాళ్ళు రిమూవ్ చేయొచ్చు. సో 15 members లేకపోయినా కానీ సో 40 days లో ఆ వర్క్ అనేది కంప్లీట్ అయిపోతుంది, రైట్? సో దిస్ వాట్ ద థింగ్. Okay, last problem in this concept. So we'll end up this class also for today's last problem here. It is given that 16 men working 18 hours a day can build a wall of 36 meters, 4 meters. They give dimensions. Okay, dimensions they given. Okay, wall dimensions, length, width, depth. Okay, they given. In 20 days, how many more men will be required? More men. How many more? How many men will required is different. How many more men is different. Okay. So how many men ante total ga enta mandi work cheyali. How many more men ante already work chesin kante enta mandi ekku kavali. Okay. Required to build the wall dimensions of 64, 6, 18. Working at 12 hours in a day, 16 days. Okay. Same thing. Same formula we are using. How many men's is there? 16 men's into how many hours is there? 18 hours. Okay. And how many days? 20 days into 20 divided by. And second దాంట్లో ఎంతమంది ఉన్నారు ఎంప్లాయీస్ మనకు తెలియదు, ఎంతమంది మోర్ అన్నారు కదా. How many more men required? So 16 plus p, 16 plus m, more men, 16 plus m into how many hours? 12 hours. And how many days? 16 days, right? So dimensions of wall enta 36 into 4 into 24 by 64 into 6 into 18. Okay, cancel this, we'll get the answer. 6 1 6 4s, 18 1s, 18 2s. Okay. So 4 16s, 4 4s, 2 2s. The 2 will be there here. Here 2, 1/2 is there in the side of this, and here we just calculate. So 16 is there and 16 is there, get cancelled. And 12, 6 2s, 6 3s, and 2 1s, 2 10s. And cross multiplication. 16 plus m equal to 3 into 10, 30, and into 2, 60. Sorry. 60 kada 2 6 ఇక్కడ 2 ఉంది కదా ఉంది కదా 18 1 18 2 18 6 1 6 4 so 4 into 4 16 16 16 4 22 2 ఉంది కదా 2 into 2 just 20 20 60 కదా అమ్మా 60 minus 60 minus 16 means is nothing but 44. 44 or 4, ma? Just give the answer. Is it 44 or 4? Check this. 44 or 4? Just simple the cancellation is check this. Guys, the answer is that 44 or 4? Is that 44 only, right? Yes. So 44 members are more required. More required is 44. If they ask 40, how many more men required? It is 44. Okay. If they ask total members is means 60 members. 60 members is okay. This is about the chain rule and the wages concept for today's class, and we discuss these all the types here up to this. And next class, do you remember one thing? I starting in the class I said one thing. Okay, be ready for that one. In the Monday class, you people will going to solve the many problems in class. Okay, that's it. Okay, thanks for watching. Bye bye now.